So hello everyone, welcome you all to Debugging Doubts. Today's topic is Relational Algebra in DBMS. Okay, so what is the why we use this relational algebra? So you might be knowing the SQL commands in the this thing database, right? So what is the base for it? Relational algebra. So we need to understand how it works and how your notations are made. So let us understand the first two critical operations, that is one is projection, which is represented by pi symbol, and one more is select, so represented by sigma symbol. So what this sigma does? So here is a student table. Okay, when we apply sigma on the student table and when we apply projection on student table, what happens? I will show it now. So first let us apply the projection. So projection is basically applied on columns and select is basically applied on rows or tuples, we can say sometimes. So if I write student this table and then I apply the projection symbol and I write as age, then what happens? You will get a table where only age column is represented, 21, 20, 19, and 21 is not repeated, so only you will get three this thing values. So what if suppose I write name comma age? So you will get one more column, so that is name, and it is A, C, then B, and then D, and here it will repeat 21 because the combinations should be unique. So this is the table you will be getting. So projection what does? Whatever the value you give here, name comma age, so only the name comma age column will be printed. So what does the select do? Now you might be knowing. So select, if I write something condition, so the basic operation here you need to write the condition, that is I'll write age is greater than 20. Okay, and here I write student, from student. So what it does now? So for every row it will check whether the age is greater than 20 and it will print only that rows. So the answer is like USN name, age and department. Okay, so it will generally form a table, and USN you will check age is greater than 20. Yeah, so first one will be printed, that is name is A, 21 CSC, then 20 greater than 20, no, 19 is greater than 20, no, 21 is greater than 20, yeah, so 104 D, and 21 and branches ECE. This way you can do. Now let us combine the both operations. So instead of writing this one, I'll write the same the operation. Okay, age greater than 20 from students, and whole of this thing I'll put it in pi, and I'll print only the name now. Okay, and department, no, only the name. Now what happens? So from this operation, the previous one, you are getting this table, right? So you will only have two rows. So in this table only you will apply the name name to be projected. So only the name column will be projected, that is name, A and D. This is how it works. Now let us move towards the join operations, which is represented by this symbol. So this is a natural join, and there are basically four types of join, that is natural join, full outer join, left outer join and right outer join. So what is natural join? So whenever I write natural join, like employee natural join of department. Okay, so what it does is it will basically check. So in this table, employee and department, which is the common column, it has department, right? So it will check the department, and for matching department only it will print the values. You'll come with the example. So first it will check 101 A CSE. Okay, so CSE is also in this string, right? So it is CSE is present in both the tables, so it will print, that is 101 A CSE. So department is common and MGRS is in 101, so this is merged. Now it will check 102 B ECE. So ECE is present here, yeah, so it will print that too. So 102 B ECE, and 103. This is MGRSSN. Now 103, yeah, CS is present, so 103 C, then CSC, then CSC it is 101, then 104, so D, so EC will be checked, right? So that's why EC E, and what is the MGR manager SSN? It is 103. Now it will check 105 E and mechanical. So mechanical is present here? No. So that will be not printed. And it will also check whether civil is present here? No. So civil will also not be presented. Civil is not present because it is not present in employee table. Mechanical will not be presented because it is not in department table. That's the natural join. Now let us see the full outer join. So full outer join is same as the natural join, but the only one step is different is the remaining, that is mechanical, was not present in this natural join because it was not in department. So it will be presented in the full outer join, but instead in the missing value it will put null. And similarly for civil we do. Now let's see the example. So 105, then E, then mechanical, and there is no mechanical, so I'll put null for this. And here for civil I'll write it as civil, and MGRSSN is 108, but there is no this thing, right? No table here found, so I'll put null for this. So what full outer join does is will print every column of this first table and every column of second table, but wherever the values are not present, just put null. That's how full outer join. Now left outer join. Now let us study the left outer join and right outer join. So in the left outer join, what we do is, left, by the name we can say all the left table, that is we have kept employee, right? So only the employee table will be exactly copied here. But what the difference is, it will try to match the department. See, now CSC is present 101, so MGRSSN is 101. EC is present 103, CSC is 101, EC is 103, but mechanical not present in the given table. So what it does? Null. This is the work of left outer join. So present all the rows of this employee table, but if there is no department, so just put it as null. Right outer join. Here what happens? Right table is considered first. So you can see department is in the given in right position, right? So you will check all the right is full, that is CSE, EC and civil. CSE, EC and civil. Okay. Now what it does? It will try to match the this thing left table. So left table is employee. Now it will check 101A CSC. So it will be presented here 101 and A. Then also CSC is in this thing, right? 103 C, that is CSC, and 101. Okay. Now EC, you can see 102 B is EC, and 104 D is EC, that is 103. And finally you can see civil, there is no civil present in this table, so what I do? Null. So what we understood? Natural join, it will consider only the matching pairs. Full outer join, consider matching pairs, plus if there is nothing, then also it will present all the table from left also and right also. So left outer join, it will only focus on the left table and put nulls for if values are not present in the right table. And right outer join, keep the values of the this thing right table and put null for any not value present in the left table. So this is what you understood. Now let's move towards the examples and understand it more clearly. We'll solve all the examples possible. Thank you all guys for watching. Meet you in the next section.